Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your Huawei device. Since Huawei phones often lack Google Play services, you'll need an alternative approach. The primary method involves using an alternative app store or sideloading the game's installation file. For the best experience, ensure your device has at least 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage available before you begin the installation process. First, check Huawei's own app gallery, as Brawl Stars might be available there in certain regions. If it's not, reputable third-party app stores like APK Pure or Aptoide are excellent alternatives. When using these, always prioritize downloading from trusted and well-known sources to protect your device from potential security vulnerabilities. Exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of the App Store before proceeding with any downloads. Another effective method is sideloading the game. Begin by downloading the Brawl Stars APK file from a highly reliable website. Before installation, navigate to your device's security settings and enable the option to install unknown apps. Once enabled, locate the downloaded APK file in your file manager and tap it to initiate the installation. After the game is successfully installed, remember to disable the Install Unknown Apps setting for enhanced security. Once Brawl Stars is installed, open the application and allow it to download any necessary in-game updates. If you encounter any performance issues or crashes, try clearing the game's cache through your device settings or, if needed, reinstall the application entirely. A stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, is crucial for smooth gameplay. Furthermore, if you face regional access restrictions, a virtual private network might help you connect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.